Welcome to the project kickoff for St. John's Lutheran Church, where we will be discussing the opportunity to launch a care ministry program for the congregation. On our agenda today is an introduction to our capstone team, Team Care, who's leading the project, and our partner organization, St. John's Lutheran Church, who's the benefactor of the project. We will also be outlining the problem, or what we'd like to call the opportunity that exists for the organization. In addition, we will be discussing our approach to how we will be managing the work involved in the project and the project schedule. Lastly, we will be outlining the outcomes we anticipate to achieve on conclusion of this project. Our capstone team, Team Care, is comprised of Debbie Otto, who is a program manager at Optum Technology and has several years of experience managing and leading strategic projects. Janet Roundsley, who is a senior process owner at Target and has extensive experience in creating and re-engineering processes. Lisa Lanzi, who is an administrative assistant at North Heights Christian Academy and has several years experience serving as the go-to person who ensures the successful operations of the academy. And lastly, Jodi Eiynck, who is a business operations manager for the state of Minnesota and has several years experience in managing and serving customers. Our partner organization, St. John's Lutheran Church, is a religious organization affiliated with the Lutheran Church Missouri Synod. St. John's has been serving its congregation for 150 years and would like to expand the services they provide to their members, which brings us to the opportunity that exists. St. John's would like to explore creating a care ministry program for the congregation. Currently, there is no formal infrastructure and there is no funding to support adding additional resources. There is an opportunity for Team Care to assist St. John's in identifying the outreach support needs for their church. Team Care will research and recommend a process for onboarding and leveraging an outreach program and provide methodology and templates to assist the church in bringing the outreach program to life. As we approach managing the work for this project, we will identify the project scope by focusing on the services and support that are the most relevant and impactful to St. John's. We will do this by engaging with our partner and interviewing the pastor and members of the congregation to gain insight into the demographics and needs of the church. After we gain a better understanding of the needs, we will research possible opportunities and solutions regarding care ministry by interviewing members of other churches, researching existing programs in the community, and gathering research data from online resources. After our research and discovery is completed, we will then begin designing and developing the tools needed to launch and implement the program in the church. In recapping our project schedule, the discovery of our partners' needs is in process and on target. The research regarding options available and interviews with other churches is in process and on target. The design and development of the presentation, the implementation guide, and the brochure are pending research and discovery. On completion of this project, we anticipate that we will be able to identify options that meet St. John's needs and deliver a presentation outlining the opportunities. We will also be providing an implementation guide for St. John's so they can successfully launch a care ministry program in their church. Lastly, we will be creating a brochure that they can share with their congregation outlining support services available to them. In conclusion, the team will continue to research and identify the needs and the opportunities for the care ministry program, and the team will be ready to present the findings and opportunities to the pastor and board of directors by May 15, 2018.